Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on the simple turquoise stamping. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'm going to be using today are from Orly. For my base color, I'm going to be using Give It a Swirl, and for the stamping, I'm going to be using Written in the Stars. The image plate I'll be using today is the MoYou London Games Collection 05, and I'm going to be using this maze design here. I'm going to be applying the polish in the opposite direction that I'm going to be scraping, and generally that helps to fill in the little corners better. And I'm going to scrape across, pick up the design, check to make sure that it picked up cleanly. If you're worried about the edges, you can use your scraper to clean up any excess polish there. And then I'm going to line it up on my nail and stamp. I decided not to add any liquid latex, but if you are worried about cleanup, that is optional. I did a last bit of cleanup around the edges, and now I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. It's a bit of a subtle color combination, but I think it's a really refreshing shade and a really nice complement to kind of a more complicated design. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, it's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.